When your Spectrum modem blinks blue and white during setup, it means the modem is powering on and simultaneously trying to connect to Spectrum's network. The white light indicates the modem is receiving power and initiating its startup process, while the blue light signifies it's attempting to establish a broadband connection. This blinking sequence is part of the modem's normal initialization, which includes loading firmware, scanning for channels, and syncing with Spectrum's servers to obtain an IP address and finalize network settings. This usually occurs in the first 5 to 10 minutes after plugging in the modem. If these lights persist in blinking together intermittently for more than 10 minutes, it indicates a problem with the connection or activation process. First, power cycle your modem by unplugging it for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary connection glitches. Ensure the coax cable is securely connected directly to a wall outlet, not a splitter, which can weaken the signal. Verify your Spectrum account is active. Use the My Spectrum app to check for service outages or perform a modem health check for firmware mismatches. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support for assistance. Advanced users can access the modem's web interface at 192.168.100.1 to check for error codes like T3 timeouts, which indicate signal problems. Remember to reseat the cables before contacting support.